Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Sky.Onjahnae. If you're new here, and don't go nowhere because you're in for a great video. Let's get into this wig that Luvme sent me because baby, I got some things to say. Okay, let's get into this install. Luvme Hair sent me this gorgeous wig for review. I've worked with them in the past. A lot of my clients have bought wigs from them, so I have been used to like working with the wigs, bleaching the knots, plucking, all of that good stuff. This is their 22-inch silky straight invisible glueless unit. It's a 5x5 closure. It is very durable. It comes with an elastic band. It has like 5 clips, so you have 2 on the side, you have 1 here in the middle, and then you have 1 in the back. And it also comes with adjustable straps right here, and I have mine on the tightest one because my head is very much so tiny, so they definitely do a good job in constructing this wig. It seems like it'll be very secure because, like I said, all the things that I mentioned. So let's get into this install. My handy dandy stocking cap. And because I know I usually I usually lay my edges back, but because this is a glueless unit, I don't need to do all of that. But however, y'all see this cap, we need to fix this. This color is not it. You know, very simple to install. You take the wig band, you just put it on. And I am securing all clips because, again, this is a glueless unit and I'm not trying to have my wig coming off. That's not cute. Y'all, like, oh my gosh, y'all see it already. It's looking so good. They did make it also super easy because they did send me a cute little bag inside my package. It had a little tiny mirror, which of course I'm going to be carrying around that in my purse because duh. Also, an edge brush and an edge layer. Y'all know I like to use my elastic band, but also it literally squeezes my brain, so that's definitely going to come in handy for my wig installs. What I'm going to do is I am actually, because I'm not using glue, I am going to be using mousse just to make the lace melt a little more into my skin. Take my Luvme edge slayer and I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna lay my edges while I flat iron my wig. Okay, y'all, let's put this to the flat iron test. I don't really like to put products on my hair just because that can weigh your hair down. So we're just gonna go straight in and flat iron. Okay. I'm here for it. Oh, okay. Okay, love me, I see you. Hold on. Let me go ahead and finish flat ironing this hair. Ooh. Y'all see how it's only one pass too? And I'm literally doing this in like 3 sections. Well, not 3 sections, like 3 parts. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. It's flat ironing really nice. What y'all think? Did it pass the flat iron test? I think so. Like, it's so silky. Now let's remove this bag. Whew. Yeah. I am gonna go in just a little bit of makeup. I don't know if you could tell, like on the sides. Honestly, it look good. So do I really need some makeup on it? Boop boop, real quick. This looks so good. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Silky, okay? Like I can literally do this all day. Are y'all seeing this? Baby, this lace, it's doing what it needs to do. Okay, let's do the comb test. You know, the comb test we love to see on Instagram. Even though I did like melt it with the mousse, like y'all see that? Y'all see that? Girl, hold on. Let's give him one of these numbers. Child. This. I'm here. 10s across the board. Okay. Okay, that's enough, Skylar. Stop playing in your wig. But I can't help it, like she's giving everything that she needs to give, okay? And if you like this wig, definitely click the link in my description bar. It's gonna take you to this exact unit, and use the code because you can save some money off, okay? I know we all like a good bargain, and that's just on period, okay? Anywho, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you like this content and what else you want to see from me. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.